Time to look at washing machines. This is LG. It's got a direct drive motor, and this is a GE Profile washing machine. It's got an impeller. Look at that. And this is a GE washing machine. It has a heavy duty agitator. And this is a GE Profile front load. It's hard to open. Yeah, this is opening. And this is the washing machine. There's another washing machine. This is LG. See? And it has a... Yeah, it's a front load. Hi, Dad. Taking a video and look at washers. And this is LG with an agitator. There's Electrolux front load. There's a washing machine with an agitator. It has a brakes. And there's a GE with stackable one and with an agitator. Like I saw in Bethel Middle School. There's Samsung front load dryer, washing machine. And there's all these front loads. And another top load GE stackable one is over there. I'm gonna check over there. Look at the washer. Pretty sure there's no video of the people does not like it. There's another GE with a really tiny washing machine. I don't know. I got this thing on here. Yeah, it's a tiny agitator. That's cool.
What are you doing, boy?
I took a video of all the washers. What's in there? Okay, we haven't checked it there yet. Let's go ahead and look at it. This is Samsung with a regular motor on this washer. And another Samsung with the direct drive motor. There's the rest of the washers. This is Whirlpool with a removable agitator. And there's the same one and the last. Alright, this is the Maytag washer with a really tiny agitator. There's another Maytag with the same agitator. There's a lid. And this is the Maytag washer with the direct drive motor. Look, an impeller. See? And this is the washer, the GE, with the dual action agitator. See, it's a dual action agitator. There's another GE with another dual action agitator. And that's a dryer. Okay? Dude, I haven't done this yet.
Well, hurry up. It's time to go.
There's Samsung washing machine. It has an impeller. And I'll get this out of the way. This one too. Okay, another Samsung washer with an agitator. Holy cow. It's better. Alright, and this is an LG. Yeah, I know it's got direct drive motor. And it's cool impeller. Has another LG with an impeller. And there's a front load dryer. Washing machine. Alright, I think that's all.